Assalamualaikum and hello to everyone. Before I start, let me introduce myself first. My name is Akmal Hashim bin Abidin and my matrix number is 07 DEE21 F1011 and from class DEE 2B section 1. Today, I will present a mini project that given from Madam Caroline. In this video, I will explain how can I complete and finish this mini project successfully. Without wasting time, let's get started. As you can see at my left side, this is the fully coding for the mini project, and at my right side, this is the question for the mini project. First thing first, in the section A, it asks to build a program which allow the customer to calculate their energy usage and estimate their monthly bills. To get the expected output, just same exactly as the figure 1, I use the integer main for the first coding. Now, let's see in the 15 line 15 until 18. In this line, the customer will ask to choose either 1, 2 or 3, which is 2. 1 is display electricity usage and 2 calculate bill estimation and 3 exit from the program. Now, let's focus on the line 21. In this section, I use switch selection is because switch is work to bring the input that has been inserted to the next output. In case 1, it will show the electricity usage. It will call the previous reading and current reading. Now, let me run this program to see the output. See, the output that's shown on my screen just same as exactly as the expected output, like this one. Now it asks me to choose either 1, 2 or 3, but I will choose 1 because I need to display the electricity usage. So I put 1 electricity usage. The output tells us to include the previous reading and current reading, but the previous reading must be greater than the current value. Is previous reading. Now let me put first the value to see the unit consumed. So previous reading is 250300. Okay. Now we can see the unit consumed shows after enter the value, which is 1800 kilowatt. The program calculates the energy usage in kilowatt. How can the output calculate the input value that has been entered is goes to line 31 that we can see the energy consumption equals to current reading minus previous reading. Okay, now let back to the output to choose 2. After done all this, the customer will back to main menu again to choose 2, which is estimate their monthly bills. So I choose 2. Okay. Just the same step as 1. Put the value 250300, 252100. Okay. Now, the program will display details of calculation that includes the minimum charge by referring that given tariff rates. As you can see, there are 6 blocks for 1 month where I get from the tariff given This is the table that I get from the PDF. Now, in the line 50, I just use the if-else statement to complete this section. There are six blocks that you can see in the table, which is all of these are 6. This is for the consumption value. We're recording the tariff rates given. The first block given, which is 1 to 100. Okay, here we use the operator N from the line 52 until the 53. It will process the input value enter from the calculation, the value where we get the estimate for the first block usage, where we get from these rates. For the next usage, we just do the same method by just referring to the tariff given. And not forget that each block must be charged minimum 5 ringgit. Okay, now let's back to the output. For the average of the electricity usage for 1 month, the customer must pay 764 for the usage of current. Now, back to the main menu again, where we choose 3 and display the program has end and thank you, which is in the case 3, the input only shows that program has end and thank you. The end of that, as you can see, the program run as it should be, and that's all matter. That's all from me, and thank you.